Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start here with the essentials. You must be an administrator, and you need an elevated prompt open now. Type PowerShell or CMD, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. This grants the permissions you need. Once done, you'll disable sleep or hybrid sleep briefly so settings apply reliably. Type PowerCug change standby timeout AC 0 to avoid interruptions. Make sure to note current settings before changing them so you can revert if necessary. This avoids surprises later. Now you create and tune the performance plan. You duplicate a scheme with PowerCug duplicate a scheme, MIN, or clone the balance scheme, then use PowerCug set active GUID to activate it. Next, force CPU performance. PowerCug static value index GUID sub-processor procthralmin 100 and procthralmax 100. This locks minimum and maximum frequencies on AC power. Also set the system cooling policy to active so fans manage heat. If you need absolute performance, disable CPU C states in firmware or via PowerCug where supported. Finish by exporting your new plan, PowerCug export performance. PowerGUID so you can restore it later. Reboot the system to ensure firmware and driver changes take effect. Make sure thermal management stays safe. Watch temperatures for the first 10-15 minutes. If performance isn't sustained, verify drivers, BIOS settings for C states, and that Windows is on AC power. Troubleshooting tip. If something breaks, restore with PowerCug import performance. POW or run PowerCug restore default schemes to revert to known good defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.